Hi, welcome to Retomart. We're here to give your dreams color, life, sound, and voice. We are a digital marketing agency that thrives in today's digital environment. Come join me. Signs can serve different purposes, but for a business it is an essential component of its overall marketing strategy and to engage with customers. When done properly, it increases brand awareness and attracts attention from visitors that can potentially be a sale. They also give all visitors the welcome they deserve and the information they need outside and inside your location. Everybody uses printed signs or writes information on something like a chalkboard. Digital signage, also known as electronic signage, revitalizes the overall image of your location and sets you apart from the competition. Today, people are more tech-savvy, and they are more likely to notice it. Digital signs are easy to install, and they immediately provide a positive first impression. For offices, they boost the workplace's appearance and keep visitors entertained and informed while waiting in the lobby. In trade shows, digital signage draws more attention to your brand and are an opportunity to showcase your products or services better. The same benefits from digital signs also apply to digital menus in a restaurant or any other business. Once inside your location, you can give your customers and visitors an engaging experience while getting ready to make their orders. Restaurants can now make their menus fun and lively, and businesses can make their products come to life. If you already have a static menu or a list of products or services, we will animate it to turn it into the kind of experience your visitors deserve. If you still have the information in digital form, we can finish it and have it ready for you even faster. Here are some places where digital signage can be used: retail stores, restaurants, fitness studios, banks, lobbies, kiosks, corporate offices and spaces, trade shows, churches, academic buildings, weddings, parties, graduations, and other special ceremonies, and any area that should provide instructions on how to act in case of an emergency. Here are some of the benefits of digital signage. Help your location look more modern and professional. Illustrate the benefits of your product or service. Help serve your visitors and customers faster. Reduce wait times. And grow your revenue. This is how it works. We can make your signs in English or in Spanish or any other languages if you already translated them. Simply upload all your text and images when you place your order. We will use them exactly as you provide them. Step 1. Prepare your material. Prepare the promotion script or slogan you want us to convert into your signage. It can be either plain text or a word processing program. Also, gather the images you want to use in your digital sign or menu, such as your logo. Write the file name in parenthesis where you want the image to show in the text itself. Like this. Step 2. Upload your material and place your order. You can type or copy and paste your script in plain text, or you upload your document, along with your images. Please use either plain text or a word processing document or PDF format. After that, you can complete your order. We will start working on your project as soon as we get it and send it to you as quickly as possible. We will deliver your animation file by email. You can use it as soon as you get it. You can either play it on a tablet or a flat-screen TV that supports playing videos on a loop. Another way is to play them on a desktop or laptop computer and connect it to any TV that supports input from your computer. Don't delay. Click the link below and get your digital sign today.